why did you choose teaching as a profession?
I choose teaching as a profession because I love and I enjoy helping others to grow and learn. And I believe that education is the power tool not only for knowledge but also for shaping the character of the person.
So how do you integrate technology in your teaching?
So I integrate the technology by using support tool for my learning topic, and also it can help like presentation, videos, and interactive activities for more engaging.
So describe a time when you helped struggling students improve.
So during my teaching experience, I handled a student who had a difficulty understanding the basic concept. So I took a time to observe that student, what is the learning needs. And second is to provide one-on-one support using simple explanation and visual aid. And I also give para maboost iyang confident motivation.
So can you describe your teaching philosophy and how influenced your approach in the classroom?
So my teaching philosophy is centered on the belief of every learner is capable of growth when given it the proper guidance, respect, and encouragement. And I believe that learning should be student-centered, meaningful, and supportive. So as a teacher, my role is not only to deliver content but also to create a safe environment where students feel valued and confident to express themselves.
How do you assess students' performance and provide constructive feedback to encourage improvement?
I assess a student performance by using the combination of formative and summative to get the complete pictures of their learning. So these include quizzes, class participation, performance tasks, project, and observation during activities.
So how do you plan lessons to accommodate different learning styles and abilities in your class?
I plan my lesson plan first as identifying the learning objective and understanding the diverse needs of the student. I recognize that the learners have different learning styles and abilities, so I use a varied teaching strategies to ensure inclusivity.
Congratulations, Ms. Mother. The company will enable you for contributory test.